Hey there, Tasha. And my specialty is making all your app building dreams come true. Say you've got a great idea for an app or a website. Maybe it finds you a concert, buys you tickets, and calls you a car to get there. But you don't know how to find somebody to turn the thing in your head into the thing in your hands. Or you do, and they said it would cost too much. They said it'd take too long. Well, don't be surprised. They didn't have me. And they didn't have...
Been given out. That decision would have remained. Oh, crunch. The sound off the back from Shubman Gill. Wow.
Lock to Gill. That's a beautiful shot. Couple of steps down the wicket. Driven away through the covers. Gill moves to 47. Then strong off the back foot. Throughout the series, Shubman Gill, he trots back. His second test, 50.